scam. We applied to be a farmer on a carrot, beetroot and celery farm. So we will only know once we reach the area. We're gonna be totally isolated in, I don't even know what the farm conditions are gonna be like. So stay tuned. First day of the job. We got our contracts. Wish us luck.
Oh, so many cars. Oh, all the farmers, all the backpackers.
How was your first day experience? This is one of the hardest fucking things I've ever done physically.
Wow.
Look at the fucking sun, guys.
Look at my hair.
Oh my god, look at us. Oh my god, we're fucking dead. Dead. Look at what we've been dealing with. Under the sun, oh my god, it's 31 degrees with no cloud cover. Not a single fucking cloud is in the sky. And look at the toilet. Day 2. Are we gonna fuck it?
Day 2 and I think it's over there now.
We didn't get fired, but we might fire ourselves. Lunch situation is a sandwich in the car. At first we thought there'd be a microwave, but we're in the middle of nowhere. We packed a whole bag of food, snacks, protein shake, fruits. But we have no time to eat.
Labor camp.
Honestly, at the reviews yesterday, it was so accurate.
I think you don't never sign
Blessings on blessings. I look terrible right now. It's one of the worst things I've ever done. It's so physically and mentally demanding. The sun is insane. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna pass out so badly. You can't drink water. You can't go to the toilet. You can't fucking talk. You can't stand. You can't sit. You can't do anything here. This is the end of day 2. And we quit. We can't do this anymore. Oh my god, my skin is so sunburned. It's stinging. These conditions are not it. It's not humane, okay? You can't talk. You can't stand. You can't sit. You just have to kneel. You just have to crawl. You can't do it wrong. You have to do it fast. You can't take a break. You can't go to the toilet. You can't go and drink water. Every second of the 15-minute break and the 30-minute break is so precious. And after that, no breaks, no thinking, no thoughts, job only. You can't even stop for a single second, actually. There was one second that what did I do? I stood up and then he told me don't stand up. And then when I sat down, he told me, no sitting, just go, stand all the way. I was like, sweet baby Jesus. I can't fucking do this. Okay, we bought all this gear. We bought the mosquito net. We bought the hat.
Thinking we could survive.
Thinking we'll do at least. It went from 2 months to 1 month to 1 week, and now it's the second day. We're done. I can't. I hate carrots. Fuck, I got hand blisters. I've never seen hand blisters before.
In case people think we are weak, right? Yesterday there was 25 people, now today there's 5, okay?
Okay, yes. There were supposed to be so many people reporting for work today, and only we showed up. Like, 4 of us showed up. There was a whole army of people yesterday. Goodbye.
Big